Go.
It wasn't like that for 1 week, so it looks like
Nada. Nada. Nada.
I really like you.
Nada.
Oh, sorry, my thoughts were somewhere else. So, what kind of girls are you into?
That's a random question. But I guess girls with curly hair. Fuck. What made you ask that question? But there is this one girl. Well, she's got blonde hair. She's tall. She's got nice eyes. She's dark skin. She's just beautiful.
Will you fucking go out with me?
But you're ugly though.